Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Wednesday, September 2nd. We are on the precipice of fall, and I am back with a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and we're going to dive into it on foot. I'm hoping to do the on foot out in the streets, out in the element, out with my people. But a little bit earlier when I was getting home from work, it was drizzling. It was a little bit rainy. It's starting to get a little bit dark. It is almost 7 o'clock here in Philly, so I'm hoping to catch enough sunlight and enough accommodating weather to do the on foot outside instead of here in the sneaker room. The sneaker room is a complete disaster right now. As many of you know, if you've been following my channel for some time, me and Asia are actually getting ready to go to Salem, Massachusetts tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna be going for like 5 days. So I did want to get one last sneaker review done before we went on our trip. And like I said, I'm going to be trying to vlog the whole experience. We're driving from here to Salem, so from Philadelphia to Salem, it's like 5 hours, 5.5 hours. I'm going to try to stop at some sneaker places. I'm going to try to hit some sneaker places on the way. I'm not exactly sure what's going to be open for in-person shopping between here and Massachusetts, but I'm hoping to at least get some vlogging done there, and then I'm going to vlog the whole, you know, Salem Witch experience, which is why we're going up there. In 2 days, it's going to be Labor Day weekend. It's the official end of summer. People are going back to school. Kids are doing their Zoom classes. And I just wanted to get one last sneaker review, you know, for the summer. Before we dive into this pair of sneakers, though, I am getting ready to drop the Richie Ruckus Sneaker Things Halloween hoodie. It's going to be dropping this Friday, September 4th at 12 p.m. on richieruckus.com. If you are familiar with Sneaker Things, it's usually a pre-order. Site will be live 12 p.m. richieruckus.com. Enough of me rambling. We're going to dive into these sneakers. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and follow your boy on all social. And without further ado, you know the drill. You know why you're here. Let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We have the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Arzareth colorway. First thing I want to touch on, before we even dive in like deep into the review, I was unaware that this pair of V3s was going to have the infinite lacing system. I was unaware. Thankfully, they did supply us with a pair of the usual rope laces that are in the Yeezy V3. I'll have pictures going across when we get to the, you know, the photo montage at the end. But I was just very taken back by that. I am somebody who likes to usually leave my sneakers factory laced. I usually don't mess with the lacing at all unless I'm doing a lace swap. And I got to be honest, I wasn't expecting to do a lace swap with these. For the sake of the on foot, we're not going to get into that. But that is the one drawback I thought of. I'm not big on this lace system. So, like, first things first, that's going to be my probably only complain about the sneaker, because the colorway is stupid fire. These are dumb hard. I cannot wait to get these on foot. I'm definitely bringing these to Salem with me. And it's crazy. Speaking of Salem, I'm looking at the sneakers I have packed for my trip, because I'm, you know, trying to definitely get off some fire fits up there and some pics for the gram. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs I have already set aside for the trip. 4 of them Air Max, 1 pair of Dunks, and 1 pair of Forces. I wasn't bringing any Yeezy, so now I definitely can throw these into the Salem, Massachusetts sneaker rotation. But traditional V3, no boost. It's got that Adidas Ortholite sole. It's that usual cushioning that we've come accustomed on the first 2 models of the Yeezy 700 V3. As most of you know, your boy does have all 3 pairs now. And these were supposed to drop over the weekend. And then with solidarity with the Black Lives Matter movement and, you know, forging a resistance against police brutality and sticking up against police brutality, Yeezy pushed them back. They released yesterday. I won an in-store raffle. I grabbed them today. And it's just been a slow week. I actually was just complaining on Instagram that I haven't bought a pair of sneakers in over a week, and that's insane to say that from both aspects. Like, I buy sneakers almost constantly, but then to say I haven't bought a pair of sneakers in a week, like, and be shocked by that is like sickening. But then to say it and be like, damn, I really haven't bought a pair of sneakers in a week, that's pretty bad. Back to the sneaker at hand. Super, super dope colorway. I'm glad Kanye finally hit us with a colorful V3 of the 700. As you know, the first pair was that typical Kanye fashion of just grays, black, and white, kind of mixed into one model. I'm actually wearing them right now. Then the second colorway was all black with very, very light hints of gray. It kind of reminded me of like a pirate black Yeezy from the original 350s. It kind of had like that kind of color scheme going with it. Then he finally hit us with a super colorful V3, and the blue in this is like, I guess like a deep Carolina blue is the closest thing I guess I would say it is. It's very, very close to like Kentucky blue. It's not royal, but it's not baby. It's hard to explain. It's like a dead smack middle of like baby blue and royal blue. It's like a dark Carolina blue, powder blue, if I had to guess. But it's just super dope. The V3, obviously, it's missing boost, but I feel like they're still comfortable. I traditionally size up a half size. All three pairs of these, I have an 8.5. And I haven't bought a pair of Yeezys yet that had this infinity lacing system. And it's not something I'm big on. I think it kind of looks stupid. With 700s, I love having that factory laced and like the laces flopping around. Same with my 350 V2s. And the V3 of the 700, I will say the laces are a lot less long. So when you have like that traditional, you know, Yeezy factory knot, it's not as dangly as it usually is. Pause. On the rest of the Yeezy line, but nonetheless, still there. But $200, and they're commanding like a $383 resale value in my size, a 9. I'm traditionally an 8.5. Like I said, I definitely did size up a half size, but the resale, nothing crazy. The resale on Yeezys has pretty much been around this for some time now. But it's funny, my favorite Yeezy models with Adidas, I would have to say, are the 700 V3 and the 500. So the 700 V3 and the 500 are my two favorite Yeezy models, and they're the two cheapest. Everybody knows the 350 V2 costs $220, and everybody knows that a Yeezy 700 costs $300. So it's $200, and the Yeezy 500s at $200. They're the two cheapest of all of his models with Adidas, besides the Calabasas Power Phase, which isn't really a Yeezy model. It's an old Adidas model that he pulled from the archives, through the Calabasas on there, and so on and so forth, but everybody knows that. But out of his two originals, these and the 500 are cheapest, and they're definitely my favorite. My Yeezy 500s are definitely a pair that I've probably put the most wear and tear on. The Deseret is just such a dope model. The Diaprim, they're super, super comfortable. And if I actually wasn't bringing these to Salem and I was bringing a sneaker with me from the Yeezy line, I definitely would be bringing the 500s. But one last look at the Yeezy 700 V3. We're going to go bang out this on foot. I'll be back later next week with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Can we talk about what Kanye just said? He was on a podcast recently, and he said that he thinks in his Adidas contract he should be able to wear Jordans. Leave comments down below. Let me know you finish this video all the way past the outro. And then leave comments down below. Do you think Kanye should be allowed to wear Jordans? I personally think so. I think you should be allowed to wear whatever you want. I think every person who has a sneaker line or a sneaker collaboration should have in like the bylaws of their contract that they can wear whatever they want. That's it. I really honestly am out of here now. Until next, whoa, holla!
Richie rock this beat.